During cough and cold season, everybody has mucus. Let's talk about what the different colors mean. Clear, perfectly normal. Everybody needs a little bit of mucus. If it's this thick, you're probably a smoker and it's gonna start turning a yellowish color soon. Yellow, you have a whole lot of toxins trapped in there from what you breathe in due to air pollution, smoking, or even vaping. Green, this is because neutrophils release a substance that is green in color to fight off infection. This is green, you probably have an infection. If you feel like you have too much mucus, I designed an all-natural mucus buster, Better Lungs, in stores at CVS, Walgreens, and GNC nationwide.